Yes, today I want to touch on something different. One of our clients wanted some chairs for the restaurant. As you can see right now, we are weaving on the frame. This is a dining chair that is very useful for the eating space. So at first today, I'm going to show you how we did the weaving of this chair. First, we made the frame. Thereafter, we had to start on the weaving part, as you can see. So this is how, today I want to teach you how we manage to recess the cushions. There are two ways of how we do it. We either recess the permanent way, or maybe throw pillows or throw cushions. So right now, what I'm trying to do, as you can see there, I'm trying to fix the cane, so that at least when we fix the cushions, it does not interfere with the cane itself. As you can see here, we managed to cut blockboard. So from the blockboard, right now we are fixing the fabric. So once we cut the blockboard, we usually attach the foam sheet to the board. Thereafter, we use these small nails, as you can see what this guy is doing. Yeah, and then we fix it permanently, as you can see. Our client preferred a permanent fix on the chairs. So now you can see the chairs from the restaurant. This is how we managed to have it done. Thank you so much for the engagement. So I would kindly urge you guys to like, share, and subscribe to our content. Thanks so much.